Hello, welcome to Local Digitals. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to get a free domain and hosting. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So open a new tab on your browser and then enter this website. It's below the video link, awardspace.com, and press enter on your keyboard. Okay, so this is the website that we are going to use to create our free domain. When it opens like this, you can click on sign up. If you already signed up, you can click on login, or you click on get started. So you say what? Free forever, no credit card. So you are not going to use any credit card to buy any domain. And then click on get started. Now you can register with your name, email, and then password here. And then when you finish, you click on register now. Or you can go with your Facebook or Gmail address. So I'm going to use my email address here. So I'll click on this. And then select my email. Then click on continue. So wait for the account to finish creating. Okay, so you were successfully signed in, and you'll be redirected shortly to the control panel. So after signing up, you'll be directed to the control panel. So we are going to be welcome to this page. Welcome to Award Space. It's about time to build something great. Okay, now please close it, and then let's start from the dashboard. Let's go to our dashboard and start that. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. Press on the notification button so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first person to have access to it. Okay, so now let me close this one as well. Sorry, close this one first, and then let's go this one also. Okay, now so we are on our dashboard. We are now on our dashboard. So you'll be welcome Isaac Owari Isaac. Now to get the domain, we hover on buy service, right? Buy service. Okay, so click on buy service. When you put your mouse cursor on it, it will open a sub menu for you, and then you go to register domain. So click on register domain. And then here, so we have about 4 options. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the first one is saying register domain. When you select this one, it means you are going to buy the domain or transfer a domain. You already have your domain, you want to transfer it to Awesome Space. You can also do that. And then host a domain. If you want to host your domain also, here you can click on this. But here we want to create a free subdomain. That is the free one that we can get from this website. So click on create a free subdomain, and then you will be asked to enter your domain name here. So you enter your domain name here, and the domain name that I will be using is, so the name of the domain that I'm going to use is Code with Noka. And then you click here to select any of the domain here and add it to your domain. So you can select any of them. So let me go in for let me say code with noka.mindpressonline.com. okay, let me go in for that one and click on create. Click on create. So here you say your subdomain code with noka.mindpressonline.com has been added successfully. So now we have our domain added. Now we go to say open website, so you can hover on it and see what's happening. Open. So when you click on it, say subdomain is working properly. So you can scroll down, and then here, this is what we are going to use to install. So here you click on Zaki app. The Zaki app contains the WordPress. So click on Zaki app. So I'll click on it. Okay, and install app. So click on that one, browse and install app. And since we are installing WordPress, we see that it has highlighted WordPress for us. And then you click on WordPress, and the version is 6.71. So it will give you the latest version of WordPress, and then you click on it. So proceed to step 2. So click on it. Scroll down, and then here you enter your website name. So my website name is Code with, so let me say Noka Digitals, and then your username, admin username, I will maintain the username here. And then here you enter your password. So the password that you want, you enter it here. You can also generate your own password by clicking on this to generate a password for you. So when you click on it, you see so I don't want you to see my password, though I'm not going to use this one for anything. It's for training purposes, and I'll delete after this. So you can generate more. Okay, and then you click on, so then here also you enter your email. Automatically to enter your email that you use to log in for you. So you click on this installed application to install the WordPress for you. So click on that, and then let's wait for the installation. So creating database, and within a short minute you have your WordPress installed. So now it's copying the files for us. Please, if you find this video interesting, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Noka Digitals. Press the notification button, like, comment and share, so that others too have access to it. So 7 out of 13, and in less than 1 minute you have your WordPress installed. And the WordPress comes with other plugins that you, when you like, you use them, or after installing you cannot delete it. So if you want to save, you can save it, or you can close it. I don't want to save it. So this is our website. When you click on this, it will send you to open your website for you. So let's see. So you see, this is your website, and then this one will send you to your dashboard, your WordPress dashboard. When you click on this one, it will send you to your WordPress dashboard. So congratulations, your WordPress version 7.1 was successfully installed. So let's click on this one and see. Okay, so make sure the password that you use to register for the WordPress, that's what you are going to enter here. So the username mine was admin, and then my password. So you can also choose to click on remember me, and then click on login. Okay, so within a minute you'll be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. So this is your WordPress dashboard for your website. So you have successfully installed your WordPress, and this is your dashboard. You can clean the dashboard by clicking here, and then uncheck all this. Okay, and let's over on it. Let's look at the themes. Let's see the theme that has been installed on it. Okay, so let me change and let me activate this one and see. So let me open it on a new tab. So just refresh it, and then you have your website. Okay, refresh it, and then you have your website. One thing that you have to note, that this domain is not secured, because it's a free domain that has been given to you. Okay, so don't depend on it. This is for training purposes. If you want domain, you can contact me, and I will give you the best place to buy a website domain. You can contact me. So now your domain has successfully been installed, and you can use it to build your website. So now when you go to your plugins, installed plugins, let's look at the installed plugins. I already told you that it will come with in some default installed plugins. So these are the defaults. If you don't like them, you just delete them. So you can click on, so you can deactivate this one and this, or you can delete them. So let me delete these two and leave this one and that. Then click on OK. Okay, so I'll leave this one. Later, if I don't need it, I'll just delete it. You can delete it anytime that you want, and we can create a new domain, or let me add a theme. Let me add a different theme to our website. So go to appearance, and then you click on theme, and then click on add new theme. And then you have all these things, so it's good. Okay, this Hello Elementor 2 is also good. You can also use that one, so let me install that one. Or Astra is also good. Cadence is also good. All the templates here are good. Blosky, which I normally use in designing my website. Okay, there are a lot of them. These are all templates or things that you can use to install, and then after that, activate it. Okay, so it's asking us to install Elementor, so click on it to install Elementor for you. And then let's activate it. Elementor plugin is used for building websites, and it makes it very easy for you to design your website without any problem. Okay, so if you have not created an account, you can create an account. I don't want to create, I already have an account, so I'll click on this sign to go back to my dashboard. I would like to end here. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share so that others too will have access to the video. Bye for now.